Let me ask you a question. Are you wanting to start a drone program? Do you have a drone program? Do you have questions about drones? You need to attend a mega webinar that Blue to Gold is doing with Flock. We are going to talk about how to start and run a drone program. We're going to kick it off with a absolute SME over at Flock. His name is Fritz. He's going to tell you the mechanics of getting a drone program started. Then he's going to hand it over to me, and I'm going to talk about some of the legal issues that I want you to consider while you're running your drone program. And also, I'm going to share with you ways to talk to your stakeholders, your city council, commissioners, legislature, because they're going to have questions about drone programs too. And I want to let you know what the law is about drones, when they do violate a person's reasonable expectation of privacy, when they don't, some of the laws that states are passing, and so forth. You will not want to miss this mega webinar with Blue to Gold and Flock. It'll be on February 19th. Go to the website, bluetogold.com, to sign up, and I hope to see you there.